Are you looking for the best car vacuum cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car vacuum cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KMM 9000 Pascals Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The KMM Handheld Vacuum offers a powerful cleaning solution with its dual functions of vacuuming and blowing. The built-in rechargeable battery charges in just 3 hours, allowing you to clean your car, home, or office efficiently. With one-click dismantling, maintaining this vacuum is effortless, making it easy to dispose of debris and clean the filter. Its lightweight design and built-in LED light enhance usability, allowing you to tackle dirt in dark or tight spaces comfortably. This versatile vacuum comes with various nozzles, making it suitable for cleaning everything from keyboards to pet fur. What we like: powerful suction, lightweight and portable, multiple attachments, long battery life, easy to use. What we don't like: attachment fit issues, missing extra filter. Number 2. EYYA Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The EYYA handheld vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool designed for your car and home. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can easily switch between vacuuming, blowing dust away, inflating items, or compressing vacuum bags. Its powerful 15,000 PA suction makes it effective on various surfaces, from carpets to sofas, ensuring a thorough clean. The dual filtration system helps maintain suction power while protecting the motor from debris. Plus, the Type-C fast charging means you can quickly recharge the vacuum, giving you more time to clean and less time waiting for it to power up. What we like: powerful 15,000 PA suction, compact and lightweight design, 4-in-1 functionality, easy to clean and maintain, excellent battery life. What we don't like: not as powerful as expensive vacuums. Number 3. Fanttik V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. The Fanttik V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum is a mini-compact vacuum that comes with multiple accessories to clean every hard-to-reach corner of your car. With only 1.2 pounds ultra-lightweight and wireless design, you can easily handle sand, dust, and debris with one hand. It has a powerful suction of 30 AW/12 kPa, double filtration system, and 2-gear suction adjustment. You can charge it anytime, anywhere, and it can be fully charged in as fast as 2 hours. The stainless steel and HEPA filters can be removed for deeper cleaning. What we like: lightweight and compact design, powerful suction for small tasks, easy to clean and maintain, great for pet hair removal, good attachments included. What we don't like: battery life could be improved, small dirt cup capacity. Number 4. Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner for Car and Home. Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner is a 3-in-1 multifunctional handheld vacuum cleaner that can be used for blowing, vacuuming, and pumping. It comes with a variety of accessories, including fine steel and HEPA filters, a Type-C data cable, and a power display. The vacuum cleaner has a small size and is easy to carry, making it convenient for you to carry it on the go. With 12,000 PA super suction power, it can clean both large and small areas effectively. What we like: powerful suction for small tasks, compact and portable design, multiple useful attachments included, quick recharge time, versatile as a blower. What we don't like: short battery life, occasional attachment detachment. Number 5. Saker 17,000 PA Portable Car Vacuum. The Saker Portable Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool that makes tackling dirt and debris effortless. With its 3-in-1 functionality, you can easily switch between blowing, suctioning, and pumping for various surfaces, from your car to your office. Its impressive 17,000 PA suction power ensures that even the toughest pet hair and dust are quickly removed. Weighing only 380 g, this lightweight vacuum is easy to carry and store, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Additionally, the long-lasting battery allows you to recharge it quickly with a Type-C port, making it always ready for your cleaning tasks. What we like: powerful suction, compact design, good for small spaces, long battery life, lightweight and handy. What we don't like: questionable materials, limited attachment compatibility,